Hey friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use OmeTV in browser. So you want to go ahead and open up your browser. I'm on my Windows PC, so I'm going to open up this browser. And you can type in ome.tv like that. Or if you go to Google and just basically type in OmeTV, you'll be able to see it from the search result. Now, once you open this on your browser for the first time, you will get a pop-up asking you to really allow your camera, right? No, this PC that I have right now doesn't have a camera on it. It's a gaming machine without a camera, and so it doesn't detect. But you will have the pop-up showing you where you can allow your camera so that it can start to work, and you can just click start, and you will be able to work with it. Now, in case you are not seeing that, you can click the three dots on the upper right and go into the settings of your browser. In this case, this is Chrome. And from here, I will go to privacy and security. Now, from here, you want to go down to where it shows site settings, and you will scroll down and you will see where it shows permissions. Here you can see camera, and I can click on that, and you can easily go ahead and allow your camera in case it is not allowed. So you can always say, choose to allow your camera and it will work just in case you're not able to see show up on Omi TV with your face or something like that. And so that's how you can use Omi TV in browser. Very easy and very simple.